All right, we're out in Cambridge doing an open house, 580 Alaska Loop. And we're going to take a look at this one. It was built in 2021. It is 1,545 finished square feet, all on the same level. And you have all living facilities on the same level, meaning bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, laundry, everything. So here is the entry that leads into the living room, dining room, kitchen. You can see in the background you've got a mudroom off of the garage, and it's a 3-car garage. With a deeper 3rd stall, which is nice. Little closet for storage. And down the hall, you've got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So here's bedroom 1. Linen closet in the hallway. Bedroom 2. Bathroom number 1 is a 3-quarter bath and then the primary suite. You got a vaulted ceiling. You got plenty of space in here. Big walk-in closet and primary bath with dual vanities, 3-quarter shower, and there's probably room here for a tub if you wanted to put in some sort of tub. And then, as I mentioned, that's all living facilities on one level. So when you go downstairs, this is where you can pick up some serious square footage if you finish this area. So first you enter into what could be a big family room. I'm seeing a bar in this little corner here, but that's just my creative mind going. And then you could have another bedroom down here and a bathroom. You got rough in for the bath. You got a poured foundation, and here's the mechanicals. As I mentioned, this is built in 2021, so it's a newer home. You don't have a whole lot to worry about. We'll go outside here. Take a look at the back of the home. So here we are, we're out in Cambridge, 580 Alaska Loop. You got the beginnings of a fenced backyard and a little pond view. Come on out and see it for yourself.